Alright, so I wanted to show you this beautiful mushroom coming out of this tree. It's almost beautiful enough to be mounted on its own like a sculpture. But if I was to move this mushroom in any way, if I was to take this tree stump and move it 5 feet away, it would probably die. It's got the exact life cycle it wants, it's got the exact amount of light that it wants, and it's just going to do good right where it is, so I'm not going to touch it. I'm not sure what kind of a tree stump this is on. This could be apple, I'm not sure offhand. But I'll give you a nice close look at that. Look at that, how beautiful of a pattern that is coming off of the top of this tree stump. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I'm not exactly sure what kind of mushroom this is, so if you guys know, comment below, let me know. And tell me if it's edible. I'm not going to eat it. I think most of the shelf mushrooms like this are generally you're pretty safe with. You might get sick, but you're not going to poison yourself. But then again, I don't know. I'm not a mushroom person, so I mean, I love looking at mushrooms, but as far as eating them, I'm very scared to do that. So here's a look at some of the Mycelium. As you can see, it's inoculating this log now. And that's the Mycelium. Eventually that will turn into this. So that's what it looks like. It's its early stage. And of course, eventually it starts to form a head. It starts to come out. Now, if it gets too dry, those heads will die. But it doesn't kill a Mycelium. That Mycelium can live and grow deeper into that log as time goes on. But if it dries out like this, it's just getting a little bit too much sunlight and the log is kind of getting dry with the wind and all, then those little caps will die on it. Same thing with this. If I take it out of its environment and it's not moist anymore, it'll stop growing. So you want to keep it where it is and don't touch it unless you plan on just getting rid of it or whatnot. But look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I'll try to get a shot of this thing. It's just a beautiful mushroom. So I figured I'd share that with you and just kind of show you what it looks like. And may not have that opportunity again in the future. It could be dead in a month. Who knows? You know, maybe winter's coming, so it may not make the winter. I don't know enough about mushrooms to say whether it'll live, it'll die. But that's it. Just wanted to share my little mushroom coral head growing in the back of my yard. Like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Another mushroom. This one's unique looking. Look how cool that mushroom is. Try to get you underneath it. We'll take the light off it. That's without the light. Pretty cool.